Hello valued customer. Thank you for choosing Rosenthal Collections for carefully curated products. Here we have a Kee Gold Testers Wand. This wand features two types of tips. The first tip is used for cleaning the surface of your jewelry, and also serves as a cap to prevent the testing tip from drying out. The second tip is used for testing your jewelry. Here's a quick demonstration on how to use your machine and get accurate results. First, clean the surface of your jewelry using the polishing tip. Then place your jewelry piece on the testing plate. A common mistake people make is they don't remove the cap. Remove the cap. Now, using the testing tip, you can effectively test your jewelry. And remember to put the polishing cap back on so the testing tip does not dry out. And there you have it, simple and easy. After watching this video, you still have questions, please feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching.